Let's get this party started. This gold weekly chart. Hell of a week last week on gold. It sold off 11%. Jeez. It's monthly lows down here. Oof. It's bearish. Let's see what it does. I look on it daily.
Or higher,
Well, yearly?
monthly.
Yeah, I'm looking here. Yeah,
Go monthly and
that monthly low right here.
okay. We'll go probably go past that. Probably hit that little gap right now. Under
A little slither.
it. Yeah. Yeah, squeeze chart. Let's see what we had in there. Low to high.
I'm still looking like, even looking at that weekly. Yeah, that weekly get you below. These big lows are here.
Mm.
A weekly gap down here. Never been touched.
And a VI to the left too.
Right.
Got ways though. I don't think it'll be no straight shot.
And a straight shot.
You would like for it to be just gonna get over with, but
Go
no.
ahead, right. Like even when it drops, she where'd it go? All the way back up. The white meat.
Like it can come back and hit that damn volume, but then come back down. Or you know, sweep and come up and do this right here. You go down here,
I got this
up,
low
come
here.
up, come all the way up to hit that, come back down.
Uh-huh.
Man, you gonna do what he gonna do. But yeah, I'm bearish on that for right now. Kind of crazy how they ran that shit before the war, and then the war come. They
They
said
sell that shit off.
doing the opposite of what traditionally happens during
Right.
wars. People run into stuff that they can, safe harbor. What's up, son? Huh? Yeah.
Look at that 4 hour. Hey, that 4 hour got this low written all over it.
All over it, man.
Jeez.
You don't have to say a word.
Right.
It's written all over your face.
Jeez. This is coming. And when the way the market is, it might open up tonight. Soon the market open.
Put some up under there too. That
Right.
gap ain't fully filled, is it?
Nope.
Squeeze that a little bit. Yeah. Oh, we
Ooh,
got a volume imbalance down up in
look how
yeah.
you sold that shit off.
That's what you want though.
Yeah.
Come up in there and push.
So gold look
How
like
long it took to get on the indices on Friday? It took a while.
took a while.
I dropped and draw. She went down to the volume imbalance and everything on that too.
It's silver. Woo, yeah.
Boy, that's that hurt locker, boy. Anybody was bullish on that shit, boy. Oh, that's that pain.
So, right. Somebody bought it at 122.
That was us at 22.
Yeah. Oh yeah, with them leaps.
Yep. Right at the tip top, boy. The tippy top.
Yeah, this volume about like whew.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can book that. You got monthly gaps down here. Okay, you can book that. I look from a daily. Yeah. It's bearish as hell. 4 hour. Expecting them PD raise.
Right. Locking the doors.
Yep. Matter of fact, yeah, that shit might gap.
Right. Gap down.
That shit might gap, dog. A lot of
Uh-huh.
shit might gap.
Right. It's locking doors. Bearish as hell. This one I'm looking at too. I saw this one didn't have a good week, which it should have. We got
They
a weekly swing now.
gonna be all right. They got higher prices in their damn future.
Yeah, but shit.
Or what's that other one? NG probably went stupid. Because
Natural gas, but now you got this weekly gap right here.
they say 20% of the world's natural gas on fire right now.
That's
Because they hit
cool.
that damn spot.
We, we don't need natural gas right now.
So
It's summertime.
you don't
We
get
need
no
that.
balloons. Don't look for no balloons for graduation, man.
No below.
Nothing. Can't go to Dollar Tree and get no no helium. You shot luck.
Look at
Better
my
put some
daily
water
chart.
in that damn shit.
See, looking at this daily, that's some accumulation right there. Now we going higher, we're gonna manipulate down before we
Well,
go higher.
let me see that 4 hour. Put me a little bit more detail there. Yeah. Let's see. I want to see. Stretch that out a little bit. Let me see. Uh, It's an area two. It's the bottom down here. This whole thing is area two.
There it's two right there.
So, if you don't,
That's A? No, that's the A. Where the M at? They
well, it depends.
right. You got the A.
This could have been the M now, but
Nah.
this is holding up so far.
Right.
It's holding up so far. So it hasn't hit you with something nasty down up under him. Not yet, anyways. Look like it's trying to run him. Want to run this.
If you think it's going higher, you want to manipulate down here, grab this first coil inside this here, and then go up.
Oh no, you ain't gotta do that.
You can do all that?
No, in area two now.
We're there too.
Now, if it's nasty, it can come all the way back here, but it won't come back down here. I don't think it'll do that. If anything, it'll come down up in here and drop, hit that, and then go like that. You know what I mean? I don't see it coming way back down here.
Way back down there, man.
No,
Way back down there, man.
Nah, there's too much shit going on. So if anything, this is a quick run to go. You go up, and like I said, I think this is the 50 right there. That's like from here to here. That's probably the 50 there. I already gave it to you. It's respecting this OB right there. It hit it a couple times, and now it's sending it up. So if anything, you'll send it up above this wick. And if there's something in this here, it can send it down a little bit and then come back up like that. But I just expect that to keep going up. We should be up in this area soon. If you ask me. That's just nasty, bro. Went up there, grabbed all that money, ran it down, and now to keep from going lower, it's distributing it like this.
That's a 35% retrace.
Right.
In 2 days.
Yeah, see. And then now it's going to work its way back up. And then, boom, now and it could keep going up to another thing, then turn around and come down and attack all that shit. You know what I'm saying?
See, the dailies is like accumulation. Crazy.
So I was winning this.
Yeah, went in there. So you went in there and failed to take out this high.
But this candle closed above that previous candle.
Yep.
And you need to grade this wick.
Shit.
Probably already hit 25%, probably.
Nah, you hit
I
that yet.
ain't even hit that yet.
Oh. To me, it's indecision. I don't know. Especially even look at this daily. Dailies look down. You got to swing.
I see what you're saying.
Yep. The day look down, so we're going higher.
Like I say, you just play it day by day anyway.
Exactly.
Just figure out where it's at when you turn on your computer to get in it. That's all you need to know.
YM. The big three.
But I've been skipping now.
Doing exactly what we talked about last week.
Mm-hmm. Free falling. Oh, I seen
What's her name?
Nah, I saw a picture of like NASDAQ, YM, all three next to each other. Let me see. I said it to you.
Let's see what day last week line up. Jeez. So the thing is, we can open up tonight down here.
Yeah, NASDAQ. I mean, YM is the one in front right now.
Yep.
Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Yeah, yeah. YM, yeah, the leader.
Keep lagging.
Yep.
So,
Daily lower.
go back to the higher time frame. Squeeze that. Yeah. This 25. That's April 25.
Yep.
Okay. Where you feel? Yeah. See,
We almost there.
we're almost there, but that
Yep.
ain't 50%. If it want to go 50%, it'll come in here.
Yeah, but ain't nothing fresh in there. It'll come down here at 70.
It's fresh.
No, that's been stepped on.
Some of it been stepped on out of all that.
That shit been stepped on, man. That shit been stepped on.
You was looking at this.
Right.
Man, they better not give us that. Wow. They give us that. Boy.
Yeah.
Knowing all this over here too.
Right.
You finna
That's
come up
that.
out,
That's that Trump candle
you come up
last
out
year.
that bit like that, man.
Right.
If they do that, wow, I doubt. But you can do this. So okay, you come in April, come down, tap this, earnings and all that. Might get a little slight push. You hit some of this, then you can go down low to
Right.
June,
Junior.
then flip. You know what I'm saying? To line up with seasonality.
They said, "Fuck y'all seasonality."
You're a little pop around April time because you got earnings. So they'll, even if they want to sell the shit off, they'll pop it just to bring some more loans in and get their money too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was us.
It used to be us. But then last year, April, they hit the button and they look back.
Right.
So I'm going off of the thing. If we get here, within the next month or so, when we get to 50%, then I'll be okay. I said, okay, let's see. But if we make a fake move before we get to 50%, I'll be weary of it being a sustainable run. I think it's just something like I said, a pop to drop. Because there's all these volume imbalance you're leaving too. So that can push it right back down. But yeah, this is definitely a target for sure. You can book that. Book that shit. So let's see. You hit this. Then hey, do me a favor. Run a field from here back up to the top. I want to see what is 50% up in this area.
Gotcha.
Yeah, see. That's where that volume imbalance I put down. So let's say she do hit this, then she go back up and then come back down again. for another run down up in here or whatever by June, and then tech kick in and all that shit like that. Maybe on the We'll see.
Is he?
Right now, you should be playing to the downside if you want to be allowed with the higher time frame.
See, but the bigger issue is like, man, they really ain't giving you no move during New York session.
Yeah, 'cause they can hit that. They can wake up, like I said, open up right in there.
Right.
Then bounce.
They did it the last 2 or 3 days. Like you looking down, man, they already opened up damn near way below. That's a good yes. On the right contract?
I would say you're on the wrong contract.
Yeah. June, yeah, yes.
You bet that hit gonna get hit. That monthly. At least the first one for sure.
See, this week is hard to judge, man. Cause
Right? You don't know how much you want.
let me go bite the body. It's a little gap around here.
But what's that at 50, right?
That's if I'm gonna buy the body, but you go wick to wick, hell no. Wick to wick can get you down here because this wick right here is a monster wick. Because you had the first move from this low to this high,
Mm-hmm.
came back 62, now we got 0.5. But then if you grade this wick right here, that's a hell of a ride back up. You go up here. You talking about
If it go down in there, that's
this,
ain't that propulsion?
but you talking
Propulsion's not.
about
It'll come up out of there screaming, bro.
screaming right. First thing
Like
smoking.
it basically be the same move again.
Right, yeah.
Something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
It's just retesting the breakout.
Right.
Like I say again, this shit getting hit. I ain't gonna say what week. Maybe this one. But it's definitely getting hit. This will get hit before this get hit.
Right. I look from a daily perspective.
On that thing.
Yeah, no data.
You gotta go and continue.
Right. See, they bleed you on options because when you open up and you 9:30, you way down here, and it don't get man.
That you bought put all that clothes
Right.
And then messed up part about it by the time 9:30, the damn thing be back up.
Right. See,
Really
man.
ain't took no advantage of that. It
Hey,
might
that's why it's like, man.
Sunday
Me
be work the
personally,
way right back up though.
I would never swing that, man. The way this market do you, man, because they are. I know people that bought some the previous Friday, and what they do Monday and Tuesday, they ran anything all the way up. Hell
Should
no.
have bought it on Thursday like I did, bro.
Nah, I pass.
Caught it in a discount.
Nah, nah.
He
I
let
pass.
he let the front of the week show his ass first. And then he came in
I
behind it.
told you Wednesday was the high of the week, bro.
Yep. You said it. You said that.
I pass.
All you had to do
Hey,
was roll the contract over before the day closed. That's it. Let it
hey,
ride out, man.
since they doing daily zero DTEs, hey, I rock with those. I won't hold nothing the way this market give it to you. Nah.
It's just showing you time distortion.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
if you know where the target is, you can hold it for a week. Buy a week options contract. That's okay.
Not with this administration.
Oh
He
yeah.
got he already said fuck y'all, man. Y'all should have told me about Pearl Harbor, man. He said he happy to do that.
Nah, he ain't said. He said fuck Mueller.
Uh, you said you was in love with this administration last year. What happened, man?
Yeah,
Oh,
fuck
yeah, still
Robert
there.
Mueller.
Oh yeah, I can make money,
Because
but
it was
but I ain't
going
holding
up.
that. I ain't holding that with this motherfucker, man. I ain't holding nothing with him.
Hey man, I like I like I like holding my money when I sleep, man.
hmm That oh 45, 47. Say something and you don't sleep the market be up. It'll give you one of these candles. Hey, I remember this shit like it wasn't nothing last year when it did this candle. Uh, this
But
one,
that candle right there,
yep, I remember this candle like it wasn't nothing, man. Overnight it opened up and dropped like a
yeah.
thousand.
But
This
look at the
morning, when the
targets
bell
though.
rung that morning,
But look at the
boom.
targets though. It had that target, this target. Those were your targets.
Hey, and no, and then when you woke up in the morning, think it was down there way up here, right? It
Nah,
had
cause that
rebounded.
you
So
on a
you
weekly
like,
chart though, bro. You on
huh?
a weekly chart. You on a weekly chart.
Oh no, I showed you in the 4 hour. Fuck.
It was
Mark off the
one day.
target first. Mark off the target first.
I gotta go ES1 because this fucking thing don't show it.
But you gotta mark off the target, man. You don't know what the target's at.
Yeah, the problem is you can't get out because by 9:30 it was then already up there.
Man, where's the target? All right, say this your target right here.
Yeah, that was Friday. It ain't hit it on Friday already.
That game over, bro. You shouldn't be holding if you holding it lower than that, then that's on you.
Check out some more.
Say it again, E.
Spread it out some more. There you
Yeah, you gotta hold it to low hanging fruit targets, man. I mean, you don't have to,
What day
but
was this? What day was that? That was Monday or
That was
Sunday?
Monday.
Monday, right?
Yeah,
So
that's
yeah,
what yeah, that's when they did it.
right.
It dropped
It opened
overnight.
up, went
So
down,
right.
and then 9:30 it shot up
Yep. Shut
right
up.
at the open.
Killed the motherfucking premium, man.
you ain't got no business holding though. It already ran the target. That's where the greed kick in. If you holding it for lower than this swing right here, that's on you. Look at it.
That one too.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I mean, hey man, you hold beyond that, you got to take what come with it.
Well, you know damn well it was a gap behind here.
Right.
Yep.
You gonna go past that into the other gap?
No. But the problem is when they got to this gap, this was Sunday. Yeah,
Right, but
Monday.
okay, where it closed at on Friday? Right there, right?
Yep.
All right, so you done ran this, you done ran that, and you done went in this gap.
Yep.
And you still holding for lower? Yeah.
So look, here you got it already tipped its hand, right? It done gave you the shift right here and came back and it's just respecting that whole gap the whole time. That's got to be your target right here.
And this motherfucker thing that then time the storage you was in here on Friday, December 24th, day before Christmas. It didn't get down here until April.
Yeah. But you had a lot of moves down.
Right.
A lot of moves down.
They just said, man, I done
Because
seen this market, it'll play in your face.
that's
You
the
know
body
this is the
inside of a
target.
body right there.
Say it again.
So you shouldn't enter in right there. This is your entry right here.
That's just testing your gangster.
Yeah.
Nah, you just wait till the right side show you it's active. I don't know what contract you got to buy to hold it for that long, but hey,
Yeah,
what
but the
you
problem is trying to knowing how much time you need to get to here.
that's what I'm saying. You probably buy what, a yearly contract?
That's the hardest
Hell
part.
no. Hell no.
That's
That's
the hardest
old.
part.
You wouldn't buy a yearly? I mean, how you supposed to know? Because you talking about like from this low to that high, that's months it took to get up there.
Yep.
Yeah. Up.
So I'd rather buy a yearly contract just so I can have enough time to get back down there.
I buy at least 6 months. 3 months you asking for it. Because you got your shit took.
Yep.
Because you went right here, it was looking good. Then it popped back up. Then ran your
But did
shit.
it take this?
This
Did it
probably
take
quiet
this?
witch right up in here.
Did it
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
did it take that before it pop up?
Nah. It took that, then it popped up.
Yeah, it took
What
it.
time is this? What date is
I'm
that?
looking at your horizontal ray.
March.
Okay. So what quiet witch at? Keep going on.
Yeah, March.
Nah, you got it. You got it before Quad Witch came in.
Okay, yeah,
I
you
thought it
got
was
that one.
triple. It's triple witching. Why you keep calling it Quad Witch?
It's quiet.
It's triple, bro.
Nah, it's quiet, bro.
Bro, I looked it up.
It's quiet witch, man. Tell them, man, it's quiet witch, y'all.
Hey, I don't care what it is. I know I ain't the witcher.
It's
Who
triple
ain't the
witching,
witcher?
dog. I
Nah,
looked it
but it's
up.
quiet, dog. We call it quiet because it include it's the options, it's the
Futures.
indices,
Yeah.
it's the
Bro,
futures and
Chat
the
GBT done told me it's triple witching, bro.
okay.
Either way, it ran the liquidity before it popped up. So you right if you get 3 or 6 months, but I'll be conservative and get that yearly contract. How many X is that?
Nah,
Here, maybe one,
yeah.
two.
Yeah.
Hey, that's it, man. You put on the right leverage. 1X. Hey, man, that'll
6
be
months
enough
is
for the
probably
year.
four.
Hmm?
On 6 months, probably 4x.
No, long term don't it would have to get in the money on leaps like that. It would have to get in the money.
So you mean to tell me if I bought an option target right here when it was here, that ain't gonna give me 4x on the 6 months?
Six,
3x?
see, Bruce on here. I don't think so. Hold on. And hold on. I check. Okay, so that'll be SPX. Let's say 5,400. You bought it. Bar charts.
Let's say you bought it here once it came up and down. So whatever day that is, right though.
Bar charts, options. SPX. Let's Look, hold on. Let's do this. Okay, where we at?
Yeah, it's probably gonna take too long to figure out past 2 year data.
Yeah, so let me look at it right now, basically. Settings, SPX. Where we at? Okay, SPX. Okay, let's say okay, 6,500 SPX. Option prices. You'd have bought right here, Jordan.
Hmm?
You'd have bought right here. Let's just say
Probably. I think
okay.
that's where the NQ setup was.
Okay, so 6,500. You said a year out, so we're looking at so it's February, so we're looking at the end. January 15th, 2027, 6,500 put. Option chart. 1 month. Candlestick open close. Daily chart. 6 months. Okay, so you bought here. That was February 26th. No, it don't even double. I'm not show you. Okay. Okay, so that's 6,500, which you at right now down there. Put SPX. Ah, share. And this is for January 15th, 2027. Share. Y'all see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's just say you caught the bottom, Jordan. You caught the bottom. Is at
Mm-hmm.
260.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's at 424. Not even a double.
It's close enough. I done made some money.
Yeah, but
That's if I wanted to do it like that.
right.
That's just a big if.
You have to find the sweet spot. The sweet spot is probably 6 months.
But I mean, you never know.
Six
You
hundred is in the
put
money
on
right now. I'm not saying like
That's why I'm saying like 6 months is probably the sweet spot. 3 months
if
is like, boy,
you look
you
at
really
institutions,
trying it. You trying it, but that
big
shit
money
big.
hedge funds, they trade like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then we talking about doing what? They doing like tens of millions.
Shit, because to get in that position, it costs you 26,000 contract. Hold
That's what I'm
on,
saying. That's what I'm saying. They trading tens of millions, bro.
260 times 100. Yeah, 26,000 a contract. So they pay 26,000. They have 42,000, and they cool with that.
Why not? And that may be the only trade they take this year.
Yeah.
They
But
just they
wait,
they
wait a
out
minute.
there living their life on the
Wait a minute now.
catamaran,
Wait a
traveling,
minute. Wait a
cruising.
minute. Wait a minute. I remember having this same conversation with you a while back about that. And you was like, nah, I wouldn't buy that because that's too much money, too much capital that's, you know what I'm saying, gonna be locked up. You were more interested in the daily at that point in time. See what I'm saying?
I wouldn't do it. Hey,
You
nah,
talking to
that's
You
Boyd or
would
you
do it
talking
both
to
ways.
me?
No, I'm talking to you. Because I had
How
made
much
that
money
same
did I have
argument.
back then?
I understand that, but what I'm saying, I was making that same argument then. You said, nah, that's too much money. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
I can play the daily and get that. You see what I'm saying? Or you can look at it from this way and say, I can do both. Shit. You know
How
what I
much
mean?
money did I have back then?
I don't know. I wouldn't count your pocket.
If I
But
said it was too much money to put on back then, I could just get it out the mud on the daily doing 0 DTEs. Yes. Now, if I have tens of millions of dollars and I still am interested in trading, I'd rather do it like this. It's completely different mindset from back then to now. Not saying that that's what I'm doing right now, but I could see myself doing something like that.
right. Well, that's what I'm saying. I had the foresight of saying that then without the money.
Hey, well, go
if you
ahead
were
and do it then, bruh.
no, I'm
That's
saying
why
if
you was doing the AMD for
no,
3 years or
I'm saying
something
for
like that.
those that were inclined to trade that from an institutional standpoint, yeah. But like I said, the sweet spot probably would be doing both. Knowing when you're at a point where okay, the
Nah, I ain't
market
gonna do both. It's one or the other, bro. I ain't finna tie up a bunch of. I ain't gonna split my capital and then do 0 DTE, and then now that's gonna cause me to think about the long term one that's on the yearly contract.
you can play this market up and down.
Nope.
You
I
can
mean,
play
I know
you can
how
play the
my
market up and
mind
down to a
works.
down point.
You like the chaos, bro. I don't.
I don't like chaos.
Yes, you do,
No, I
dog.
don't. I do
Yes,
not
you
like
do.
chaos.
Yeah, it's okay, dog. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it because you understand it. I just don't. Like having two different option contracts going at the same time on the same instrument don't make sense to me. But if it makes sense to you, run it.
Yeah, you can play puts while calls is going on, while you buying shit up.
Right. Mess around and Charles Schwab, hey, we're no longer allowing
No, they don't
hedging.
do that. No, that don't happen
You better
on
hope they
on the
don't.
opposite side. Don't do that. They don't play that game.
You better hope they don't. They could change
You,
it anytime they want
no,
to,
they
man.
can't change that because that's what they do.
Bro,
They're in calls and
right.
puts simultaneously.
We are not they.
They
We not.
they can't tell you can't be in a call and the put while they in a call and the put.
Bruh. They can structure their business however they want to.
Mm-mm.
Just because Take Profit says no hedging doesn't mean that they're not doing it on the back end.
This is
They
from
could
the
be
option
doing it.
standpoint.
Right.
Options different in the future.
Okay. So you telling me a company who establishes itself for decades can't change the rules when it serves them?
Unless CME change the rules.
Right. They do it all the time, bro.
Yeah, but CME gonna not man, that'll change the whole that would change the whole setup of the market, period.
Not the setup. It just
Yeah,
changed
no,
how you get
that
into the
would change
market.
how the market is the market. The market won't be the market no more if they did that.
Bro, you're talking about hedging. Hedging doesn't change the market.
It changes dead shit. Me, if it wouldn't change the market, it'd change the whole damn setup.
How would
You got
hedging
billions of
change the
dollars
setup?
on because bro, look, you got billions of dollars over here in puts and billions of dollars over here in calls. The bitches playing both ways. So if you take that away and say you can't do that, that changes the dynamic of the market, the elementary dynamic of the market. Because they do it.
In what way will it change it?
Because they can't do it no more either.
But that doesn't change the way price prints.
Man, tell them, boy, if you can't be in calls and puts at the same time.
That don't change the way the market's gonna move.
Okay. All right. We'll agree to disagree on that one.
No, I ain't gonna agree on shit. I disagree.
I said we'll agree.
You don't volunteer me to agree with you. We can move on and continue the conversation, but no, I ain't gonna agree on that.
Man. That's the whole workings of the market. The institutions are not going to get into one position and just play that way. They play the opposite side too. That's the whole point of hedging. That's the whole point of options. It is a hedge. Options were made to be a hedge. So if you say you can't do that, then that would change the whole dynamic of the market. They're buying stock on one end and buying the opposite options on the other end.
Yeah.
That's how the market works.
They gonna always hedge their position. Always.
They're not going to tell you can't hedge. But unless you in futures, now they telling you can't hedge.
Yeah, they gonna
You
always.
can't hedge in futures. But your ass can hedge in goddamn options all day long. Shit, it's whole. What the iron condor is a fucking thing. That's the whole point.
That still has nothing to do with the way the market moves
All right.
and us being able to trade. Just because they say we can't hedge doesn't mean that we can't trade.
All right.
Also, peep this out, Jordan. You know that they are allowed to trade they in and out of their position 23.5. We can only do it for what eight between 9:30 and what 4:10. They can
Yeah, but
move their
that's gonna
position.
change. That's gonna change in June though.
Yeah, but it's gonna be some fuckery around there too.
Of course there will be. But the basic logic of them being able to do what they want and us potentially not being able to, it has nothing to do with it. That's just like saying we can't speed in a school zone or we can't run a red light, but a cop run a red light whenever they want to. It's the law. But if you're the one who's a part of the lawmakers, you could do what you want.
And they gonna
And
always move their
it ain't gonna
goalposts.
stop the market from moving
No,
because
no,
they can
definitely not.
still hedge and do what they
Not what
want.
I'm
We
saying.
just got to
I'm
play
not
by the
saying the market
rules.
ain't gonna move. I'm telling you how you go about getting in and out of trades are going to be different. If they can't hedge on the other side of it, it might not be nobody there for you to get the fuck out.
Right. But if you yourself, or I'll talk about myself, if I'm hedging, that means that I don't have a belief in either direction. I'm just trying to hope that one wins, and the one that wins gives me enough profit over the loser.
That's not necessarily true.
Bro,
Remember, we had this question, this conversation, Jordan, when we was talking about like you're like, hey, I got 10 $100 billion in zero DTE, and I go and I'm up 300-400%. I go to sell it. It may not be nobody to get you out. You might have to hold the positions, and you might have to exercise those options. This is an unlimited bank, but at some point the bank say,
right, but if I have $100 million in a trade, the target that I'm getting out at is not everyone else's target. So I'll say it like this. If I got $100 million and my target is, let's say, where am I looking? Right here. Let's say this is my target. Somebody else could be waiting for this target to get ran.
correct.
I'm
But
out before that.
yeah, but your 100 million might not be nobody to you might only be able to exercise 50 million and might have to hold the other 50 million to the top target.
I might. But just like JD said, you could drop some off here, drop some off here, drop some off here, drop some off here.
Right.
There's several ways you can get in and out. And I'll just have to see what happens when that happens. But to hedge your own position, that don't make sense to me. If I'm in 100 million going up, why would I be in a hedge to go 50 million short?
That's if you want to talk about how institutions trade, that's how they trade.
They trade that way. But the whole discussion started about they could change it one day. They could change allowing people like you and me to hedge our own option positions. And my whole talking point has been it's not going to stop the market from moving the way it's been moving because they can do what they want on the back end. We just have to abide by their rules. 2, it's not going to change the setup because they can't hide the fair value gap. And 3, if I'm a trader, why would I want to hedge my own position? To me, that makes it seem like I don't have confidence in the first trade. So now I got to try to hope I can minimize my loss by going in the opposite direction.
Hey, yo,
Because
Jordan. Hey,
when
Jordan,
you're in
question.
long-term options or in options for a long-term perspective,
Hey,
you
yo,
don't
Jordan, I
know
got a
what could
question.
happen. So
When you drive your car, do you drive with seatbelt on or no seatbelt?
I drive with a seatbelt on.
when you go to Icon Park in Florida, do you put the restraint on or keep it off?
Did I put the who?
The restraint on when they put you in the little the little slingshot ride. Do you take the thing off?
You can't take it off. They don't even start it without it on.
I'll just say because see,
I ain't getting on no slingshot, number one. I can tell you that right now. I ain't get. You might see me on the Ferris wheel on Icon Park, but I ain't getting in no slingshot, bro.
well, when I say this, like, okay, so you drive your car with a seatbelt. See, it's like that little hedging thing is like a little protect the cap. They're not trying to protect all the capital, but they're trying to protect the if this happens.
They might take 100 bill, take 7. If they thinking it's going long, they might go long with 7%.
Right.
But they'll
What's
take
the
that
stop
other
loss for?
30 and hedge.
What's the stop loss for?
They don't need no stop loss, but they got 30% hedge.
No. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about us. I can't talk about somebody I don't know about. I don't
talk
try
about
to
trade from a
understand the
business
hedging
standpoint.
logic.
That's the
No,
same concept.
no, it's not. You talk about, boy just presented a scenario. They do it to try to protect their capital, right? So in that, what you do with a stop loss?
If you putting 100 on,
Do you get in the trade without a stop loss?
You ask to eat, man. That nigga jump in sometimes. Hey, he said all he needs is the gap. He told us that
But he get in with a stop loss though.
oh yeah, I always trade with stop loss.
a
Right.
mental stop loss or a stop loss.
No, but what you mean a real stop loss?
Right. Right. Now, where you're at in your journey, if you were allowed to do this, I know we can't no more, but let's just say we're still allowed to go in opposite positions. Where you're at now, going back a year. So let's say what, March of last year to now. Have you ever been in a position where you were long and short at the same time? I'm not talking about hitting a reverse button.
No.
I'm talking about were you ever long in one position?
Are you talking about futures or are you talking about options?
Were you trading options last year?
I trade options. I trade options ever since 2020.
You don't sound confident, so I'm gonna just say no.
I've traded options
Futures.
every year since 2020.
Were you in futures going short and long at the same time?
Again, no. In futures, no. Options, yes. It's a completely different mindset.
See, futures make it hard for you to go
You
to
can't
hedge
go.
because of the price of a full contract. See, options is a little bit more easier because it's the price to doing business isn't as steep. To really trade futures in both directions, man, it's gonna cost you.
But why would you get in the options trade and then fade your own position?
Because you know it's ebbs and flows to the market.
It's not. That don't make sense.
If you're getting in at a position and you go alone for a year, and you say, okay, so when I get in here, it ain't gonna never come back at all.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Ever. They ain't gonna never move down. It's gonna go straight one way.
Some people hedge like this, George, and I've seen it. Okay, like you say, you got let's say a 6 month, a year, month out position. You go on both ways. Okay, and you go along to a target, and you got to put. So when it goes up, you making money, and then when it retrace on that put, they make money. And what they do is they reinvest that capital on that
Over
next leg up.
back to the loan, right?
Right. So like say like a complete market maker buy model. At at the smart money reverse at the bottom, they put in the biggest position. They put in two positions. Then at area two, where it can be some fuckery and
They
it
might buy
retrace.
put. They might buy puts.
Right, if I put to get cash that. And then on that second leg, when it go back up and confirm, then they add in from that second leg to go back
From the
up.
puts, they add back to the loan.
Right.
Right.
But me, I
They
only go
do
one
that.
direction. I
They
ain't got
do
time for
that.
the bullshit.
We talking about us. They do that. We talking about us. Because in order to be them or to be they, you would have to have big bank to do something like that.
So you don't think I bought no puts on AMD?
I don't speculate on what you do, bro.
No.
I may
Well,
ask you why you didn't take profit at the high, but after that, I'm not gonna ask you, are you in the puts? I'm just asking, are you still holding? You say yeah. And then eventually you told me you closed the whole thing.
no,
I
hell, I
didn't
didn't.
we didn't talk about you taking puts on the way back down or retracing this and that.
I'm still in the position, bro. I've sold some of them, but I'm still in the position.
Oh, you free basically is a free trade?
2 years out, bro.
Yeah. Fuck that, man.
Plenty of time, man. I got it, but see, like I said,
So this whole
into the
hedging
position with the
conversation is just null and void based on that.
Fuck that, man.
I'm waiting.
You should have sold the pits and kept your original position.
Why would I do that?
That's what you just talked about.
What's my what I told you my low number was for it to come back to?
Bro, bottom line is you said they, and you said we are they. They don't get out. They may get puts and sell it down and then buy it back up, but I didn't hear anything about them selling off positions.
Man,
I didn't hear that.
that would be malfeasance if they didn't sell some positions, bro. You got to take profit sometime. Damn, come
At the
on, man.
target.
boy, boy, this
Hey,
reminds me of our old conversations, bro.
hey,
You
yo,
win.
Jordan, this that
You win.
same one. This is so if you'd have bought April 17th, and you got in at that January and that February, that did 3x. But it's so hard with the time because they can time to start this thing so much.
That's what I'm trying to tell them. Like,
That's the
that's the
hardest
hardest
thing.
part. Is the timing of it.
It's the timing of it. You
So I
can
give
know the
myself enough
destination, but
time
you don't
for
know
it
the
to
timing.
transpire, and I
Yeah.
can make money in between on his way down.
That's why I like to stick to basically zero DTE. Because I know that between X amount of hours, hey man. And also I was looking at some and I was talking to Brooks about this. Like with this option game, if you can like Friday, I'll take Friday for example. We sold off all day. If you can time the last hour macro, man.
Yeah, you put that on
In
Thursday.
options though, but options
Yeah,
close at 4:15.
yeah.
You put it on Thursday.
You can 10x it easily in 10 minutes.
Boy,
Yeah. And
Let's
I'll
put
show
that
you.
on Thursday.
Yeah, I'll show you. Watch this. So I was looking at this. Let's go with 30. Shit. Let me talk about
Bet you
that.
Thursday game more than Friday did.
This move right here.
I
This move
know
right.
you lying.
No, I'm serious. This move right here at 350 macro to 4 o'clock gave over 10x.
Man,
I'll show you.
I believe the money, the profit. I'm just looking at that entry.
Oh, that's
That,
me. That's me.
that man, that is tough.
That's me. That's me. Short term high into a semi, into a busy. Give me the gap. Macro time. That's me. That's me. So I'm looking at what's this? Let's look at 60. I dropped it. Who does?
It was a NQ one.
Hey, he know hey, I told him about it. Hey Jay, it was like 10 minutes, like
Five,
over 10x.
yeah, 581. QQQ 581.
Hey boy. So
Yeah.
ass me talking about, do I have any kids? Listening to me and he talking about they feel bad for my future kids. Everybody know their parents are softer on their kids, man.
See that right, see that last 20 minutes, man. Hey man, you can see some wild things. So this is let's look at SPX. What's that number? Like 6,500. SPX 6,500. Bar charts.
So after Easter Sunday, boy, options competition start. You gonna put your money on the table on this first trade?
What the whole thing? Oh no, man. Hey man, I gotta be responsible, man. I gotta be
Come
responsible,
on,
man.
man. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it. You got a champ.
Hey, man, I gotta be responsible, man. Hey,
See what this is my whole dilemma, like when trading on FOMC day, or what E used to tell me about trading in the afternoon session, because if the option closed at 4:15, I mean whew, that's tough, bro.
you gotta be in out like a robber, man. In out like a
That is
robber.
tough, dog. Imagine
Yep.
being stuck in that trade.
Options chart. What was Friday was the 19th?
20th.
20th. Hey, see, Junior know. Junior know. The 23.
What could be really good about it though is if you wait for something major to happen, like a old weekly low or like a higher time frame liquidity pool being hit.
See, Friday was perfect because like we sold off all day. And like, see, and this is where it comes in, like, okay, it's gonna come back inside the range. You said sold off 3 o'clock, 3:30, and then daily 1 month. What's that? Let's go to 1 minute. Okay. Watch these numbers. Watch these numbers. So this was 350. 350.
How much it costs to get in?
$1.
So that's $10.
And it went to $10.
No, but when you say $1, I'm multiplying it by 10, right? It's $10 a contract
Uh
for
no,
options.
100.
That
100.
was 100.
Yeah,
A
100.
hundred.
So
Okay.
the dollar is $100 contract.
Share.
So then,
There you go.
yeah, bro. So what you doing? You getting one?
There you go.
You gonna turn 100 into 1,000?
Nah, definitely about no one. So this was 350 when you got in. So the low of that candle was 60 cents. The high was $1.11. So let's say you got in the middle. So you got 90 cents. Gap fill was $8 down there. You see what I'm saying?
Move that chart down.
Huh?
Move that chart down. Where you feel. That's 79. Just take it back to 70.
Hey, gap fill. Gap fill.
There go you.
Hey, this is uncapitalized right here.
Where you feel from
That's
here
$9.
to there.
Yeah.
That's 70. 79.
Five minutes, George. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Oh,
This
that's tough.
the counter to get in on.
No. You ain't right here. 350 macro. Where it came down right in the pocket. You ain't right there. Yeah. You ain't right there.
A 1 minute chart?
Yeah, this is 1 minute because
Okay.
I don't think go down 30 seconds on here. Yeah. You ain't right there. This been capitalized already. This been capitalized already. This is uncapitalized right there. That's 10x in 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I can imagine what's going through Jordan mind. Like, damn, that's 5 minutes. That's 5. That's a hot 5.
Yeah, but you only talking about one side of the pendulum. Talk about the other side.
But when it sold off?
No, when that bitch go to zero.
No, hey, it is no.
Instantly.
I'm only risking
That's all
50%.
right. That's still money gone, dog.
That's cool. Hey,
Ain't gonna be the first time.
ain't be the first time. Hey,
Not the first time. Why? We laugh easy.
hey, we knew that.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, all that sounds fine and dandy until it's time to put that trade on.
That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Like,
That's exactly what I was talking
you want to
about.
talk about the upside of it. You're not even like you a robot or something. Like you got to consider that other side.
Hey, that's
what I'm talking about.
That's why I put
losses. Put some hellified capital on that, man. All right.
That's what I was talking about, bro. As soon as he marked off the gap, that's why I said, I know you lying, man. Because this whole week we've been waiting for you to take the buy up, and you like, nah, I'm waiting for that first gap.
During New York AM, you'll wait till 5 minutes before the bell rings to throw some shit on that. Man.
And then you wait 20 minutes before the options contract about to close. Man,
it's different for putting that $100. It's only $100. That's what he's saying.
Then you push that button.
What you putting on it? It's not so much the you know what I'm saying, the science behind it. It's how much you putting on it.
Right. Always 100. Hey, you cool at 100, so, 200, 500, maybe $1,000.
Right, so
but you start,
that's 20% of the, 10% of the capital, 5% of the capital, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Throw it on there and see what happens.
Hey, yo, that's why when I mapped out my thing with Grok, I said, okay, I'm risking 25%. And if I lose, I only lose 50% of that 25%. And it's like, man. And then I said, okay, I win 6, I lose 4, 60%. These are great numbers. And when I win, I only win, I think, 175% lock in.
And then it's also getting into that trade with that much time left. And then you got to manage that trade with that much time left.
Ain't no match. Either I'm going to lose 50% or I make 175%.
Show me a real life example on that one. Oh, like I said, it's going to be a day that's going to come. And it's going to be one of those days we set it off all day.
Yep.
Like you do, your ass be sitting there waiting.
You're just waiting. I'm just waiting.
His ass be waiting. I know your ass got to come back in range. He just sit there.
Yeah.
It's one of those days you gonna pull it. You'll do it.
All day long.
It won't be a day when you run it up. I know that. All day. You ain't gonna buy no put on that shit.
See, man, puts didn't make
man, ain't no damn different.
No. Trying to really stick to the script and like Friday sold off from the get-go. Like, and this is where options kill you, because when open at 9:30 and it's already down below, they ain't putting nobody into no puts like that. Rather than we way below midnight at 350. It's way below.
Well, they'll put it in there later on when they cheaper because they done burnt the fuck up.
Right. They done burned you the hell up.
Right. That's like it did. It played all day and then it finally went and took the lows on NQ. I don't think did NQ even take it. EQ? Oh, yes. Yeah, they took it too, didn't they?
Yeah. See, it's just so wild. Like looking at this, like this got before the 350 macro, it went down to $1.20, $1.25, then it went all the way up here to dinner over almost $5. Like all I'm looking for is 175%. That's it right there. And it dropped down again, go back up. Jeez.
That's what y'all want. U and E. W won't trouble you. Low, high, lower, low.
Yeah.
Came back into the gap.
Hey, and E like, yeah, mate, that go the breaker, man. See, the breaker hold it up, man.
Yep.
Yeah, but it didn't. Nah, I don't think he would have said it then.
What?
No,
Went
only
left?
because when it
Nah.
closed, it didn't come back and tap it. It
Right.
already ran and hit his target before it
Yeah, up
tapped it.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
that's on the way up now. Yeah, you gotta do that on the way up, not after you done hit.
nah.
See, that be my hardest part sometimes too. Like, and I got to stick to my guns. Like, okay, let's say this is a breaker. Like, man, you want to come back down. Okay, this next candle come back down,
Right.
and it do all this. That's why I be so hesitant and like, okay, let that shit set up again over here.
Mm-hmm.
Because for me, I have come to chance like a lot of times it'll run it again, then set up. Like for me, that's where I like to sometimes see where it'll give me this low and then come back here and challenge. Okay, set up right here.
But like I was,
Give me that same move right here to go back up higher.
but like I was telling you, I wouldn't push the button there on the 1 minute chart myself.
Just
I,
hedge it.
I,
Go
I would
high and go
buy
low.
this. I would
Oh
buy on this
yeah,
third candle right here.
no, they're gonna hit your thing.
Just hedge it. Go
This is
high,
the
go
candle
low.
I would buy
Can't
on.
lose.
Buy right there on the third candle.
Oh yeah, definitely see like the last 20 minutes of trading
I
is
need a gap. That's my whole thing. I need a gap. A gap. There ain't no gap there. Because that next candle could go right down. You know what I mean? I don't trade like that now.
hey yo Jordan. Also, the last 20 minutes of trading, options be on fire because they gotta go. They gotta go. And like
But the
if you
last,
could
see, this is why I need to separate the two. The last 20 minutes of the options contract, not the market day closing at 5 o'clock, right? So you talking like from what, 3:45 to 4:15? That last 20 minute? No,
yeah,
that's 30 minutes. 55 to 15.
no, shit. From 3:40 to 4 o'clock. No, you're right. Yeah,
Yeah,
going into the
3:55 to
this.
4:15 is the
Yeah,
last 20 minutes.
yeah, because we can get out at 4:15. But yeah, those because they got either sell those positions or buy them. Man,
Mm-hmm.
time to do some research that because especially on a day like that, Friday sell off like that last 20 minutes. And that move was only and this was so crazy. That was only the 4:15, let's say 4 o'clock. No, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of movement. Yeah, that was 47 points for the low. It's a lot of movement.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a strat. There's several strategies that work. You know what I'm saying? So,
But
hey,
also you need movement. You need see, and that's another thing. The shit can't consolidate. And that's why
that's why I
like,
said it came off of taking two weekly lows.
right.
So in a sense, it had to give you something in the opposite direction. You
Right.
just had to wait instead of trying to scalp it all day and buy it up, buy it up. Just wait till them old weekly lows are taken.
And then also lunch didn't give you no retrace either. And
No.
then 2 o'clock to get no retrace, nothing.
Well, was it just before lunch where I saw it finally went or I know it was just after lunch because it gave you some type of retrace. Then it finally dropped and hit the lowest low that I was targeting on, at least for NQ. I don't know
Right.
about ES.
It was a volume imbalance.
Shit,
Hmm?
but
It was
it
a
didn't do that
volume
at lunch.
imbalance
It
right
just
there.
started
That's what I
falling
was
off at
targeting.
lunch.
It didn't
Yeah.
take the swing, but it took that volume imbalance.
No, it took the swing
To the
No, I'm
swing.
talking about on the daily.
on NQ.
Yeah.
It took the swing, bro.
Yeah. They took the one to the left, but not one all the way to the left. It didn't take that one, but it took the volume imbalance also. Because it was a swing to the left
We
and
have
then there
to.
was a volume imbalance. It went past
I
that.
have to look at the chart to see specifically what you're referring to.
Last hour macro. Whew. Like I
Yeah,
said,
man.
lunch gave no retrace. 1 o'clock gave no
It went
retrace.
all the way
Just
down
what
to the
up?
body of the daily candle, way to the left, which that swing is on. Went all the way to the body of it, and then flipped at the last minute, shot up.
AOE, if you was trading options and you was in, and let's say you got in right here, where would you get out?
70%.
Okay. Okay.
70% of 70% of the setup.
Of this range. Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
I've been seeing that, but it's been doing that, right? Like just as he said, it's going 70.
See, because this is a motherfucker right here. It do this, it give you that wick here, it take that, then it drop back down to the next candle, push up, and then take your shit in the next minute.
So yeah, from here to here, it's 70 probably right here.
Right. Yep.
It went on there and went by 79.
See, and the good thing about trading off the options chart, you can set that whatever that level is on
Right. You
Charles
just look to the
Schwab.
right and say, oh, get out of that dollar.
Right. Right.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to take the top off. Hell no.
Yeah, you would, man. You always try to
No,
take
I
the top
would.
off,
No,
man.
I would. No. Last
You
second.
always try to take the
by
top
grind.
off, man.
No, I wouldn't, bro. Nah. I have seen some shit. Not with that much clock left, dude.
Right.
Enough clock on the time of the clock. Now, if it was 1 o'clock, yeah, I might have tried to run that thing all the way up. But not at 350. Man, you go to bump them and try to get out. And you look up, you done lost 50% of whatever the hell you had.
Yeah.
Just that quick.
See, and like just think about like trading that last 10, 20 minutes.
Try to get out of the limit, and they ain't
Right,
letting you out.
right. You get fucked, man.
It still ain't let you out. You just got to
like,
say, fuck
open
it,
the card. Let me out. Let me out.
Let's get out this bitch, man. They gave back 40%.
Yep.
Trying to get out.
Because what's so wild, like putting those numbers into Grok and like, okay, I start with this, I win this, I lose this. It's like,
yeah, look at this. Just look at this candle here, this red candle. Say I'm getting in, I'm still in there. I got in down here. Yep. And all right, I want to get out, but I'm having a hard time trying to get out because of the limit, because it keeps running up. It done ran all the way up the hill, $10. I'm still trying to get out. And then it dropped back down to $5 in 1 minute.
Right.
So that's an average of $2.50 per 15 seconds.
Okay, let's say you got in $1. It went up to 10. Now it dropped down to 5. Woo! Man, you crying, man. You crying in the car. And then what are we known for? I just hold it. And then what? Go back up a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna get out when it take this high again. Drop back down. Come on. Underneath it.
Close.
It's just wild. Like, this is 1 minute candle. The high was $8. The low was $4. Jeez. And you got in for $1. So you went up high as 800, down back to 400? Man.
I skip right over your shit on the limit.
Yep. Market order. Market of touch.
Yeah, market of touch.
Like, looking at options, like the biggest key to options is discipline. And being able, okay, I'm willing to risk this X amount of dollars and being able to stick with it.
Right, because even let's say you was trying to be short on Friday, but you ain't have discipline to hold it all the way to the end.
Right.
You could have lost a lot of money.
Yep.
Because they tried to fake you out several times.
Yep.
Several times. How many times they set them swing highs up top and then drop. And then come back up, drop. Then it ran it and then dropped. Then it ran back up again for a higher high.
And the problem with options is options hate.
And your shit is disintegrating as you speak.
Right.
You got $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 on it. And now it's looking like 100,000 because time done ran out and took some of it. But then, lo and behold, 3 o'clock, it finally went ahead and fell. Put the money back, and then so.
But sometimes it doesn't.
Right. That's what I'm saying. On Fridays, it's real tricky on Friday. Friday to play with you.
Yep. Because you're looking at, okay, how does weekly candle go in? Okay, I know it got to come back in. Okay, we didn't make the low after 3 o'clock. We still dropping. Okay, I got to get some kind of bounce.
Mm-hmm. Market makers put that button, say park that thing. And that's it. Don't get nothing else.
Hey, yo, email. What's so wild is like, and like I tell somebody like, when you put those numbers into Grok and like just looking at like 175%, it's like, come man, if you know the direction, 175 will come in a blink of an eye. But that's where George talk about, man. Sometimes that G word creep in on you. That greed. Well, I got 175, man. Let me go for 300, 500. Oh, I see everybody else getting
At any
1,000%.
point, retrace coming out of nowhere.
Hey, why you there? Can you look at NDX?
Oh, definitely. For Friday,
Yeah.
I got you. On the buy up at the end of the day,
Nah, sell down.
I got you. Which one?
Like after 9:30
I got you.
on Friday.
Which position?
The put.
Uh, is it
Which one?
NDXT?
Oh,
Which swing? Was probably the one from the daily.
yeah.
Um,
I'm going back to my chart to see what that target was. It don't show me over here. That's crazy.
I got it. It was
Can't see it on the weekend. That's weird. Let's see if I go up a time frame or something. I can't see now. How you get it?
wait a minute.
And,
The ND.
NDX.
Wait.
Which one is it?
I typed in NDX, but it's only showing me the.
Oh, you on the NDX chart?
Yeah, I was trying to go on the NDX chart.
Oh, I was trying to use the indicator.
Uh,
Yeah, so my target would have been 23,854 on
Gotcha.
the NDX chart.
I got you. Option.
yeah, 23,854.03.
Mm-hmm.
Look like that. QQQ is +1 series.
Yeah, I see my QQQ strikes. Yes, you got to put the NDX one on. Settings. Turn.
I look at QQQ. Let me see the reasons.
Okay, there you go.
Option prices.
Okay.
What was QQQ for it, E?
But look like 581.
581. Okay.
NDX closest one
Oh,
was
that was a put, right?
yeah.
Gotcha. 581. Option chart.
The NDX closest one was 23.9. 23,900.
That was Friday the 20th.
Man, stop being cheap and sign up, bro.
So I need that bar chart. Okay, so this is Friday. 1 minute. Okay, let's see. Go find them.
That shit ain't on the move.
Right.
About that 9:30.
9:30. 9:30 open up. Yeah, it moved. 20 cent. Yeah, it moved.
Come on now.
Yeah, it moved there, but damn, I'm talking about all that, all this shit here. What was going on here? That's what we were sitting there looking at the chart.
That was that NQ retrace before it went down into the old weekly low.
Right.
So, and you got to
and
hold it.
Matter of fact, let's say you bought it at the open, you went below your shit.
Yep.
You went in red.
No, but if you risking 30% of your thing, you good. You good. It ain't go down to yeah. You good.
Yeah.
But then you gotta hold it. You gotta believe it.
Like I say, it's the psychological part of that. That's the part.
That could be so weird. I got out before that. I didn't wait for the old look. Nah, because I was on it to a 15-minute gap. And they hit it like just before 11 o'clock.
So about right.
Right now.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a double, but then it went all the way to 10x. But shit, you gotta hold it.
Hey man, ain't nothing wrong with it.
It went as low as 10 cent, 20x.
That's your long low.
Ooh, short-term high into the city. Ooh. Right in the pocket. 13, 14 cents.
I'm right there.
Right. Oh, you right there?
That one
15
right there.
cent.
That's that one.
Then it retrace. Went up on you. $1, retrace. All the way up here. Oh shit. Buy model?
It ain't completed.
It ain't complete. It is.
But like I told you, it went all the way to the body. To the end of the body.
It ain't hit the body. It ain't hit the body.
It ain't hit the body.
Nope, it ain't hit the body. It missed it. Checkpoint Charlie out of 189 right there.
That's it. I'd have been going 70%.
Right here. Right there.
I ain't even trying to play with that.
I ain't gonna drop. Ooh.
That's the volume balance right there.
Yep.
From down here to there, that's enough.
That's enough. And from here to here, 70. Hey,
If it get me out of here, it's because of slippage.
Right.
Damn story. Go back target.
But that's a hard hold. Like you say, man, you sit in that shit, and then it finally want to move. Jeez.
Oh, but like you said, we understand the market. Like everybody knew that shit was going down. You know what I mean? We just sat there and watched how it went about orchestrating that drop. You know what I mean? All them pops and all the other shit it was doing.
And that fakes you out mentally.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Like,
you think you're wrong.
Right. That's what I'm saying. And you know options. And you know time running out.
Yep.
Clock ticking. Your shit evaporating right before your eyes. You know what I mean? And you see a big ass pop like that.
Right.
Like, oh no, let me just go and get out. And then they say, got you, bitch. and that's when they drop. But like I said, you just have to see it enough over and over and over again to have that confidence and know you going out to take that swing. You just playing.
See, and option like speed. If they got no speed, because look, you're in the phone booth right here. You're in the phone booth.
And for your life.
Yep.
Welcome to the jungle.
Right.
Stretch that back out right now. See if you would have just waited to the macros. Can you avoid most of that bullshit?
Nah, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. Right. It's lunchtime.
I mean, there you go. So,
That's in the pocket right there, though.
Yeah, it's in the
I
pocket.
ain't gonna lie to you right there. That's me every day.
Oh, that's you. Oh, this me right here.
That's
me right there.
Right
That's me.
A 5-minute chart with a 5-minute shift. All systems are go on the green side. Man, come on. Ain't nothing to talk about.
Right there. Stop
this
loss
ran this.
Yeah, but where you gotta move your drone so I can see the gap, bro.
Okay. Trying to do it, but it won't come off. Okay.
Man, I know you lying with that little weak little doji candle down there.
What? No. This right here. The red candle.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, but ain't no gap. You mean that doji, yo?
Man, there ain't no gap.
Man, that little weak doji ain't got no body.
Gap, man.
Ain't got no substance to it, man. Man, come on, boy. Man, I was with you till I seen the doji down there.
That's a gap, man.
Hey, boy. Maybe on the 1-minute chart. That's what he say. Hey, go to a lower time frame. It's down there. Like Fredo, it's in there.
See, and I know for certain Jordan like this because how this thing moved up right here.
Yeah, right there, man. Come on. Ain't nothing else to talk about, bro. Game time. Game time. Game time.
See, me E down here at 15 cents. Jordan getting a little bit higher, about 25.
That's the way he used to trade, man. He'll get in a 15-second, take a swing high, probably would have held it right here. He's like, yeah, I got more bullets. And he'll come in here on a full clip on this one. Double cup love, man.
It's just wild looking at a put chart. It's a buying chart, basically. We're looking in the opposite direction.
Me and JD trying to get you there, bro. You still got 3 more months, bro, before you can get into a buy-up, bro. You gonna be able to make it?
I make it.
Oh man,
It
hit
gets some
one
nice
sale for the
retraces.
summertime, bro.
It gets some nice retraces. Hey, I'm checkpoint Charlie in that shit like Friday.
Oh man, one sell down, bro.
It gotta be
It's gonna be
perfect.
smooth. It's gonna be smooth.
I need it above midnight at 9:30. Run it that way.
Tell you gonna get it next month, April, bro.
Cause shit, we ain't get it last week, man. People were saying, man, hey, and that was right. Asian in London was the best last week. New York took you through it.
Hey man, but the first 2 weeks of March, bro, I calculated. Cause remember I kept saying every day 200-point days,
Right?
1,000-point weeks, bro. 1,000-point weeks, back to back. Then FOMC slowed it up, gave 200-point drop. Every other day, like 100 points, bro.
Hey, that was one of the trashiest FOMC I ain't seen, man.
I've seen it like that before, but normally it's like they reversed it because normally that type of FOMC would happen in April, May last year.
And then
But
also,
because April this year has 5 weeks, I think they're gonna wait for the explosive one at the end of April.
But also that one like this week usually happen when it's just FOMC and no statement. He talking to anyone doing that.
Yeah, because it's time distortion, bro. It's still going. It was still going to the target to take out that old weekly low. That's all. But if you got in during that during London, was it London or was it like 6 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah,
Remember I hit that daily volume or that 4 hour volume imbalance? If you got in up there, yeah, you probably thinking, yeah, it's explosive, man. I'm still in it.
yep. Like before, we would get huge moves during 9:30. Shh, man. See,
You
and
already looked
I've
at you already called the weekly target on NQ?
oh no, not yet.
I
We were
tell
looking
you,
at ES.
keep looking down, bro.
Always looking up. Always looking up.
I
Richard.
ain't going there, bro. Keep your brim low, man.
Hey, hey, and I love it too because if I'm looking down, I know the first at least the first 3 days is gonna give me a hell of an up move.
Mm-mm. Nah, it's ready to go now, bro. It's ready to go right now. Them wicks are nasty, boy.
Right? Nasty, nasty.
Them wicks are nasty. See that other weekly low? It's coming next, bro. That right there, that's gonna get taken.
See, but the biggest thing is it can see, and this is how they do you. And in 4 hours, they gap down, take this, and do what? Run all Monday.
It could, and then you gotta
Right.
break
See,
that wick down. Break that wick down, and then it's gonna come back down lower.
that'd be the whole fucking thing about it.
Hey, that'd be your sell, bro, above midnight. And so, you see that, you be like, nah, we gonna go higher.
Always. Hey,
Nah, man, keep your brim low, bro. Don't look up, look down.
hey, make one phone call. He gonna come and give us one of these candles.
Oh, what'd you
That
just switch
candle,
to?
then this candle.
Why your church just changed?
Which one?
What were you on before?
That was yes.
Nah, you was on NQ, but you just switch. Did you switch the time frame?
Oh,
Because the wicks.
this the continuous chart,
What were you on
You
before?
went for the daily of the week.
the monthly. I
Oh,
mean,
he went from the daily to the week. You was on the daily.
When he was on ES, it was on the daily.
Nah, some you just had that showed the wicks looking nasty, bro.
That was with daily.
no, it's a weekly right there.
No, you was just on ES though.
Nah, you was go back to the monthly. I mean, the
You was
monthly
on the daily.
contract on NQ,
NQ daily.
and then go to
The daily.
weekly.
Weekly, yeah, the wicks. The wicks,
Yeah, it was this.
yeah, them wicks
So
is dangerous.
what happened if
Yeah,
they sweep this right? Give you a nasty sweep this,
Right.
and then
But
give you
right.
a solid candle to cover up all this shit
Right, man.
for the rest of the week. Then turn around and come back. Man, they can do
See,
all kind of
and that's how
shit,
they
man.
kill you, man.
Because all this need to be covered up. You need a solid candle going the opposite direction on that shit.
And I'm looking at the monthly. That monthly low is coming.
Right. Then you come down and yeah, what I'm saying, you can do this.
look at look at the daily, bro. Daily got what you need, man. Daily got what you need, bro.
Well, I know where it's going. We know it's going down here. We know it's taking that out.
Swipe that and swipe this. Those are coming next, bro.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean they coming this week. That's what I'm saying. That's what
Bro, but look what you got. But can you do a side by side, boy? Like do a split screen
with
with NQ and NQ. Like show the weekly and show the daily at the same time.
I got you. Show the weekly and daily.
Yeah,
Gotcha. Weekly.
appreciate it.
No problem.
All right, so I'm gonna pose this question. E, what do you see on the daily that could justify a buy up?
Something on them.
Right.
That's
Okay,
it.
okay. So what do you see on the weekly that could pose a buy up?
Something under them. That's it. That's the only thing I can see.
Yep.
All right,
Besides coming down
so
here.
okay, but then what happens when? Yeah, that's to me that's the ultimate target.
That's been my target the whole time.
So then my question to you is, if it goes down here, let's say it gaps down here first, what's that going to create on the daily chart?
A volume balance. A void. I'm sorry. A void.
It's going to leave a gap right here, right?
Yep. Do we
And
Void.
know
then
where
they
they got?
come back into that gap and continue lower.
Right.
Did I just
It's going to keep going lower. There's
did I just say that, bro?
no, you said it could go up here and cover this whole thing on a weekly chart. And I'm just trying to figure out from a
No, I was
weekly
saying it go
perspective.
down here, go up, and that could be the end of the week. Like I don't know.
But you're saying it got to leave a body over this to cover it up, to
Yep.
cover some of that up. That's what you were saying. And I'm not saying you're wrong and I'm right. I'm just thinking, okay, what would actually make sense for the market to do? Because it's still drawing down.
Yeah, but
And I know that you believe it's still going down, but
it's gonna give you some
if you
bullish
don't see
days.
a setup on the weekly for it to continue down or continue higher, then the daily is going to show you what's likely to happen.
But we always gonna get some bullish days. And you
Yeah,
gotta
you might.
capitalize. Yeah.
That's
You
all you
might.
got.
That bullish day may
No,
not
you
give you
definitely
no
gonna get
A
one.
plus setup though.
You gonna
Right.
get it. You gonna get them, but it's gonna give it to you during your session.
Right. That's the only thing.
That's your
Right.
question.
Right.
Or it's gonna do it while you sleep. We're gonna run
Right.
this bitch up. And
Like you
Hey,
say,
you wake up, your ass looking at gold.
right.
Because
No,
wait.
like you say, we can gap down tonight, take this out, then all
Run all
Asian
the
and
way up
all
like
other
it been
run.
doing the last 2 weeks. Just run
Right.
Monday and
I
Tuesday.
don't, but I don't see that. The reason I don't see that happening is like if we play JD's levels and it came down and hit the body right here, it went up and failed to go higher. And look how this candle and this candle is getting stronger to the downside.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
That
True enough.
resistance are going up. It's not going to be what you're saying. Like you may get a up close daily candle, but it may be the cap that me and JD was saying happen over here. Like it'll run up, but it's not going to give you your ideal setup.
Yeah, but look how many days before it came back.
But look how many beautiful sell days you had on the way back down.
Right.
I agree.
Like when you on the right side of the market and then in the ebb and flow of the market, as you say, the down moves were the best moves.
But a lot of times them down moves came with it wasn't ideal, meaning that it had sold off all day. Asian, London, and like you didn't even get a pop in 9:30 New York when you usually would.
Nah,
Usually and
continuation, bro.
right. See, and that's the hardest thing. Like people gotta understand, like you always gotta have like two different ways of entering. Like some days you get the best above midnight, hit the PD array. Then some days you
You gotta
gotta
get in while the car moving.
see, and then for some people that's hard. See, and that's where you got no, and like it was days like, and when I told the Jordan like, hey, no trade, no trade, and you gotta ask yourself that sometimes, like, okay, if it ain't ideal for me, do I take a trade or do I just, well, I think it's a continuation, let me get in because what kills you when it's a continuation is the retraces. That's what kills you.
That's when you need to know when to get in as far as running your films and not trying to come in discount when you're supposed to be coming in premium.
But also you gotta see this. That's also when you gotta understand sit on your hands.
Or yeah, you cannot mess with it, or you can drop your leverage and
No,
keep
no,
buy
sit on
your
your
way.
hands. The market
Do that
takes from
too.
the impatient trader and gives to the patient trader.
But like you just said, it's you can have more than one way to get into a trade.
Right.
That's personal preference. That's up to them. Ain't nobody gonna tell you what to push, when to push. That's on you.
We could, but you got to sign up to Jada Traders Discord.
I told you on
Right,
Friday
man.
though. I mentioned it on Friday. I said that thing come up in here. That's it. No like.
But also, like, ask yourself, like, even like doing the options number, like, man, like, you really only need 1 to 2 days a week to find your best scenario and get your option money. You don't need no 5 days. You need 1 or 2.
Yep.
1 or 2. Ain't no, man. Hold on. Let me well, while we on here, I know people asking about that. Like, look at the options. Like, for me, ICT taught us between 9:30 before 10 o'clock, 70% of the time we come back and take out at least 50% of the RTH. The close of the previous day to the open of that day. So for me, if it's that's where I like to pick my strike price. That 50%.
Anything more than that is extra.
Anything more is extra. And like, even like if I'm even when we bearish and I'm looking at, okay, if I'm bearish and we below midnight and going into 9:30, I know that, okay, if we go Judah, the Judah's gonna be up usually. So okay, I don't mind getting in before 9:30, trying to buy it up to that 50%. Because I know if it fails, then I know where it's likely going. Because if we can't reach that, okay, I already know what's up. And then if it don't happen, like you say, it'll happen after 10 o'clock.
Look when this confirmed the down move, right here. What day was this? What day was that?
February 4th.
Right.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And look how long it took to take that shit. We still ain't done. That's
Yep.
just to go back where you came from.
Right.
Took what, a month?
Yep.
Damn no.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. These lows taken already. I think on the NQM chart. Yeah. Yeah, those lows taken already. See, but look at the daily chart, you ain't got nothing.
Right. That's why you got to use that continuous, because
got to
you trading blind.
pissing in the wind, pissing with your eyes closed.
Unless you can read this.
Braille.
Mm-hmm. Good luck.
We can read Braille. We can read Braille.
Telegram.
Chat.
So you bearish on NQ, bro?
I've been bearish, man, bro. I've been bearish on that shit so long.
I'm asking boy.
Oh yeah,
man,
I've been bearish ever since I made a swing.
Man, when you gonna take a bearish play, man?
When it set up above midnight at 9:30 and Judah's up, hit a 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour fair value gap, then give me the shift.
So never.
Okay. Y'all heard it live.
Heard it live.
I'm cussing your ass out if you don't do it.
Oh no.
If you get all that and you don't push that button, I'm cussing you out, bro. I'm sorry.
Hey, it got set up perfectly.
Like a dog.
And I don't want to hear, oh yeah, it happened on the 5-second, man. Nah, this shit gotta happen.
Nah. If you want all that lined up and then do it and you don't push that button, boy, you might have to give me a fade, man.
I want to hear it did shit on the 5
I might have to
second.
pull up on your ass, boy.
I need
can't even see about you, bro.
I need a 15 or a 1 minute. 15 second or 1 minute. Let me see. Share before we got here. I showed this like
sun, the moon, the stars got to line up. Orion's belt.
Yep. Start. I know some
harmonic patterns, Elliott wave.
Start with $2,000.
Mm-hmm.
Risk
I got to be coming in
25% and make 175%. How many trades? Let me see. Taking 2 trades a week. After 7 months, how much will I have?
Hey, Price gonna end up leaving them, waiting on them time frames like that motorbike did, old boy. Y'all seen that on TikTok?
No.
Old boy on that motorbike done created his own pair of jeans.
God damn, it said $200 octillion? Nah, it's too much. God damn.
Ain't never too much, man.
Octillion. I don't know who that is.
I'm gonna go back. Go back to the top. 2,000 make 175% per trade. 2 trades a week. It don't take you 7 months.
Yep. Let's put some losses in there.
Man, come on, dog. Why you gotta be negative?
And
your two trades ain't gonna be bad trades. You talking about your A plus plus. Yo, that's your bread and butter, man.
Only.
No losses in there, man. Oh, this is that last 20 minutes of the options trade right here. That's where this number's coming from.
And I win 6, lose 4. How much after 7 months? Let's see where we go. See, this is a much more grounded setup. See, look at that, man. It's much more grounded, man.
Man, I like octillion.
I like octillion.
I don't know what this number is right here, man.
Octillion, man. Who is octillion?
Hey, man. Somebody who building houses on Mars.
Yeah. That ain't bad after in at the end of the year. No, that's not a bad number. Not a bad number to come in.
And you take one of them losses you looking at, boy, that's a bad number, boy.
Right. Okay, hold on.
To the micro.
Right. Map this out month by month so I can see.
Hey. Boy, go ahead. Here go the Cash App. Y'all got it. I'm out.
Okay. There we go. Okay.
It ain't showing the losses, man.
It is. Oh.
Hey, this is go back up. This is when you gonna
just show your monthly average.
Right.
The 90 to that 322. That's gonna be the biggest.
That'd be the biggest.
Well, that's the hardest one. Oh no, that's 25 to 90 might be hard. But...
Yep. Let me see.
That's a lot of trades. You sure that's
he
2 trades
gonna start that shit over. He gonna say, okay, cut it out. Cut this one in half. And then do it from there.
Nah, I cut this one in half right here. Me personally, I would.
Let's see.
Why not?
There you go.
Yep, that's exactly what I want. Yep. Look it in the face. Look it in the face. Let me tell you right here where the problem is. That one right there.
18th that our first one.
That's yeah. You feeling it in your chest. Then you got this one here.
Right.
What?
You got this one.
Why
there?
that one in the L? Why that one in the L? Why the first?
Those three right there. Yeah, you're right, E. Going from 90 to 300. Yeah, those three losses right there you gonna feel it in your chest.
Then you get down here. This is whoo, trade 21 to 30. Because trade 21, you get as high as 300. 300. Whew.
That's
But
separate the English from the Dutch, bro.
Hey, y'all got water parks in Ohio, man?
uh-huh.
Hey, it's just like when you pull up to, oh yeah, we gonna get on every ride. You pull up and you see that tall one,
Yeah, it's
like,
up there.
ooh, I can see
No, I
this
don't
from
know
the
about that
parking
one.
lot. That's what that would sound like. Boy, see that law? He's like, ooh.
Tell everybody. He done went up there, got to the top, tell the people, go ahead. Y'all go ahead. Go ahead.
Right.
Skip, you can skip.
AOE, serious question. Where would you be like, whew? Where would you shave?
Yeah, it'll be in here.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be probably somewhere between about 17, somewhere up in here. I'm getting shaved.
We talking about shaving.
That's just
We
good
talking
business.
about like breaking it in half or reducing the leverage. What we talking about? What type of shave we doing? A close shave?
Take some
Fade?
off for it. Okay, so you get 48, then you go down to 42, then you hit 61.
Okay.
Right. So then he's okay. I'm just thinking, okay, I had 48, then damn, I dropped to 42. Then I popped back up to 61. Would I shave? Nah, I probably keep going from there. But I think it's this number right here.
100,000? Right.
110. Yeah, that right there, that's I'll shave.
How much?
Okay. I'll take what the difference between these two. Just take that and put it right back to 76.
Okay. Okay, so are you going to increase? Okay, because before you was only risking 25% of the pot. So once you shade, are you going to increase that?
Wait, all these numbers are based off of 25% risk?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Yeah, this
76.
yeah, this is versus 20, yeah, this is versus 25%
Let's
on each
let's go
trade.
back to
Why you think
50%.
it took so long to get there?
There was something that was like, why is it
You
taking
know, boy,
7
doing the
months to get?
conservative numbers.
Man, 50%, bro. 50%. No losses.
50%?
Boy, say shit me. You could do
Sure, yeah.
50.
Start with 2000,
Well, see,
risk of
I wanted to be
25%.
50% with them first two L's. This just give me so okay. This let you say, okay, you hit on that one and that one right out the gate. Okay, cool. What happened to you lose on first two?
So
Losing
E,
first two, 50%, you out the competition.
right.
Right.
Right. No.
So so
We
so
want you out the competition. That's what it sound like, boy.
so E, knowing you only risking 25%, what number you gonna shave at?
So what now?
If I'm risking 25%, ain't no shade, man.
Ain't
Let's
no
go.
ooh,
No, ain't no shade.
ain't no shave.
For what?
I just showed you no my shit, man.
But that's only risking 25%, man. Or are you going to increase the risk? You want to risk 50%?
See, I thought you was.
If I shave, I decrease the risk.
If I increased the risk, I would have shaved sooner. But 25%, there's no need to because you're only risking 25%.
But also you ain't risking that because when you risk 25%, you only willing to lose 50% of that 25%.
Right. So that means the other remaining 50% you've already taken.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. Ain't no need to shave. You already got that. That's in the pocket. That's yours to withdraw whenever you want to.
This gonna be a hell of an options thing coming next month.
And man, go two trades risking 100%, bro. After risking 100% after the 12th trade.
After the 12th?
Yeah, after the 12 trade, start off risking 25%. No losses in there, bro. You taking your A plus setup. That
Okay.
shows up twice a week, let's say.
Okay. Let's say I win the first 12 in a row.
Mm-hmm.
And then after
Risk.
that, increase the percentage
Mm-hmm.
to 50%.
100%.
And 100% risk.
Yeah.
Did you ever shave anything?
No. No, we got to see the numbers first. We got to see the numbers first.
Oh. Well, I'm saying from 1 to 12, you didn't shave anything.
Right. So let's see what the numbers say.
That's 155.
So 155, I cut that in half.
I
And then
perceive you got to
start
shave right there. You got
5%
to,
after that.
man. That's bad business if you don't.
Look at that number right there, bro.
Look
Oh
me
yeah,
in my
I get that
face.
part. I was just wondering where your shave was. You got to shave before you go 100%.
Yeah, so okay.
Okay.
So you win the first 12. You take 50% off of that, and then you flip the final 50%.
See, but people, see, you got 10%
You added
on here.
losses in there, man.
Man, not more than half people gonna be done after trade number 11. They have that 100 grand. They gonna shade there.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't
And
nothing wrong. You shave after 8 grand.
but
There's several strategies someone could use to really level up in options.
watch this. Hey, yo, Junior, at trade number 11, how much of the 100 grand you shaving?
Probably 60%. I'll take 60 out.
60,000 or 60%?
60,000. I mean, 60% is 60,000.
Okay, so now you have 48,000. How much you gonna risk on the next trade?
I'd probably do 50.
See what I'm talking about. That's what see what I'm talking about, bro. Come on, man. You done already done made
I would say
more than what you
if I made
made coming out of high
100,000,
school.
yeah,
Right.
if I made 100,000, that means I'm seeing it.
That's what I'm talking about. Look it in the face, boy. And he's taking his A plus setup twice a week.
Let me see who else on here. Yo, CJ. Oh no, yes. No, CJ here, he'd do it. No, Whitney. Yo, Whitney. And we ask a woman. I gotta get it from a woman's perspective. Us men, we risky. Let's see if Whitney can talk.
That's peace.
Oh no, shit.
I'm right here.
Okay, Whitney. At this number, this is CJ's money. He gave it to you. He said you can use it. You ain't gotta worry about that. And which number are you conservative at?
What you saying? Like, where would I stop?
Where would you shave?
Um,
I know CJ ain't shaving at all. He said, fuck it is what it is.
Probably at what's that? 52 or
Okay.
75? Probably at between 9 and 10.
See?
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
That's a woman's perspective. See?
Ain't nothing wrong with it. And then then ask her the next question. So how much is she shaving? And then how much is she gonna put on the next trade?
I may do like 50%. So keep half and then put half in the next trade.
See, on top of my boy, you got looking in the face. Ain't no more 25%, man. You got to look it in the
She
face.
said that y'all on here. Man, Whitney is so concerned, man.
Keep half, put half of the half.
Yeah, man. Come on, man.
25, I do half and half.
See what I'm saying?
Because I'm not going to go no further without keeping some.
Okay, Whitney, you get
wish we had
to
this
trade. Okay,
discussion,
trade number
2021.
16, 1.6 million. You gonna risk 800,000 in the trade?
Oh no, I don't know now.
What I tell you, man? What I tell you, man? Okay, so Whitney, you have 1.6. How much in the next trade?
I may do like 25%.
What I tell you, Joey? Hey,
The number less I'm putting in the next trade. I mean, the next trade, I'm putting less in. Like when it's a little smaller, like that 75 is like, okay, the 50%. But no, once it started getting up there,
Okay, Whitney, you had 11.5 million. You gonna put 25%?
yeah, I probably still do 25.
You know that's like over what? Almost $3 million, right?
Yeah, but I'm at 11, right?
Yeah. So that means you if you lose, you'll be back under 10 million.
Okay, I think I could still do like between 20 and 25%, but I don't think that would be bad because I'm already at 11.
Okay. I can't wait to this, man. I can't wait to this, man. Hey, just like you say, man, them numbers, man. The numbers do something to you, man.
Just look at the number before the comma. Don't worry about anything else. The first number before the comma.
The first
Everything
number.
else is whatever, man. Like when you're looking at the options, oh yes, he was at 80 cents. Just treat it the same way you're looking at them hundreds, thousand, million. Okay, yeah, 43 cents. That's where we're at right now. Looking at right here. Okay, we have 43 cents. How much we gonna put on that trade? That's it.
First trade, you hit 200%. I might take that and put my money back.
See, but the hardest
Do
thing
that
is
too.
like, man, when you start putting
for
millions
free.
into it,
You can ride out for free then. For real.
hey, when you when Whitney do that trade at 1.6 million, she put the 250,000. Man, she looking at it. Okay, it's up 10%. Oh, that's 25,000. Can I close it right here? Oh, it go up a little bit more, man.
I'm telling you, just like E said, and that's why I was trying to encourage you or whoever else. Like once you hit that number, you are riding for free. Everything else is yours.
Yeah.
You don't paid your bills for 5 years in advance. You riding for free at that point. At that point, what else are we talking about? You bag like what was the number y'all were looking at? 750,000 or 1.6? She
Yeah.
done took half. I don't know where they live, not trying to get nobody's business, but I would think for most of the states, like even if you live in New York, California, 800,000, you could pay your bills for about 3-4 years.
Man,
So that other 800,000, I mean, you cut that to whatever number you want to on that first trade. Then after that, you just keep flipping that.
I know Whitney personally at probably this number, her ass walking off the job. At probably this number.
Sure will.
At that number, she walking off the job.
I consistently be consistent. Yeah, I'm gone.
Yeah.
And I'm not going broke again.
Ain't no 2-week notice or nothing. At this number, she walking off the job.
Hey man, don't get on people on 2-week notice. Fuck them.
Fuck them. Hey, at that number, she walking off the job.
Especially if you're in tech. If you're in tech or you're in some proprietary sensitive type shit, you get on 2-week notice, they gonna tell you at the day your last day.
Yep.
Right.
So you might as well give yourself a mental 2-week notice and then hand them the paper on the last day.
Between this right here, her husband leaving his job, CJ walking out, and this wherever she at trade number 20, she had $3 million yet. Ooh, see, but this is crazy right here. You had 6 million, you lose the next trade, now you're at 3 million. Ooh,
But think about how much you already pocketed though, man.
Right.
You already done took your shave. Like, okay, you ask everybody, let's ask you, where are you shaving at?
See, but I wouldn't be risking like this. I was.
Where you shaving at?
If I'm shaving, nothing up here impresses me. Me personally.
Okay. Big money. Okay, big money. So where you shaving at down there?
Probably,
13 to 20.
Oh, there it go.
14. Yeah. 1.1. I probably shave.
Okay. And then where you put? You probably take half.
Take half. Yeah, definitely. I'll take half.
Okay. And then next trade, what you putting on? 10%?
No, 50%. I do 50. I do 50. I do
Okay,
50.
so you turn 5, you right back in the same
No,
position then,
no.
basically.
So let's say you put that 50 on, but you fuck around and lose that trade.
But I only lose 25%.
Right. But so you down to 200 sometimes, right?
To 250.
Right.
No, it's 750.
Wait, if you took
No, you took half. So
half
let's
of the
just say it's 1
1.1,
million. So you took 500,000, you put 25% on.
So
So that's
250,000.
120 something,
Yeah.
125,000. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, yep. I'm losing 120. So now I'm at 625.
well, you couldn't put
Now
this.
you less than
We
that
ain't,
because
we
you
ain't
had
even counting the money
500,000.
you done shaved. That's
Now
gone.
you got 300 something thousand left, boy.
Right. Yeah.
The money shaved don't count no more. You don't put that in the mix.
Three. Yeah.
Now, yeah, so you got 300
375.
grand, but he's straight. And then just ride that out until you get to whatever 7 figure you feel comfortable with. Shave that. After that second shave, man, in my personal
Ain't
humble
no shaving.
opinion, no, after the second one, ride it out.
AOE, where you shaving at?
I already told you I was shaving that. I was shaving earlier.
Oh, come on, man.
Saving up in here.
Come on,
Uh,
man.
yeah,
Man.
me,
My first
yeah,
shave. Yeah.
yeah. My first shave would
Second one is
be
the one that's okay. I'm good for 5 years, whatever, for
right in
sustainable
there.
life. Somewhere up in there,
50,000
y'all.
away.
You know what I'm saying? Put something in your tank. Then that next trade, okay, then you get to, let's say you get up in here or whatever. This right here, yeah, that's the next trade. That's the next shave.
That's the next shave. One more.
Yeah. If I went from 428 to
Yeah, man.
1.1, I'm not going back in there with everything, man. Somebody come out know and whoop my ass if I do that, bro. So then from there, but once I put that up,
It's a wrap, bro.
Okay, now you're in this area. Where are you shaving in this area?
ain't no bro. Did you hear
Ain't
what
no
I
more
said?
shaving, bro.
Ain't no more
Ain't no
shave.
more shaving. That after that second one, you should be good.
Ain't no more shave.
Woo!
Because if you shave between 8 and 10, you done gave yourself a nice cushion.
Right.
Well, I don't know
Then
what I
somewhere
don't know
between,
how it works on
hmm?
I don't know how it works on the application portion. Like once you get up in these numbers, like how much you put on, or getting out early or getting out easily and all that. So that
It's
might
liquid. It's
make you
liquid.
cut something. But
They liquid enough. Already did the research. They liquid. You might get some slippage instead of a hundred.
Yeah, some slippage.
Yeah, instead of 150%, you might get 151, 52, 149. Yeah, you can get slippage.
what a
And then
shaving
and then
is,
you're probably
shaving might be how
managing
many
your
trades I take. That's what
and
the
you're also managing your profits too. Like instead of, okay, maybe I know it's going 3-4x today, it should. At that point, you're probably just doing 1x.
right. There's no need to go
There's no need to go. Just go A to B and you out.
right.
That's it.
You don't even put that that undue stress on yourself trying to go to a stretch target with that
And
amount.
anything after that 30th one, they looking forward to your phone call in the morning. Hi, Mr. Eric. We're excited to talk to you.
We got this new program for your account you can put it into where you can get a X amount of return on your money. Mr. Eric, are you interested? You know,
Oh,
we
you know
offer
what?
zero
You know
zero
what?
percent loans on X amount.
You know what? When I shave, I might shave against it, man.
Huh?
Like you know how you say bar against your position? When
You
I
lost
shave,
me.
I'm off that. So if you got like $1 million in there, so instead of shaving it, just bar against it.
Oh,
Oh, we know what type of phone call he having, boy. He called in there. Yeah, I just want you to know I have my legal team. I get full authorization to discuss all my account information in front. He calling with everybody.
uh-huh.
Power suit, power tie. So how much did you want to take out?
You got
All of it.
you got a special bank number, literally. You know his personal phone number. You got his address.
He showed to the bank. They immediately walk him to the back. Here's the key. Here's your key to the safe box.
At what number would you have to call in to trade?
Whatever number you feel comfortable with. When you start to see slippage, and you want to try to minimize it, that's when. But I would say up and around that 23 number. Once you get a balance like that, that's probably when you're gonna start calling in.
Okay. And then is this just trading QQQ, or are you leveling up to NDX?
Anything.
I'd recommend NDX because QQQ can only handle but so much.
Right, that's what I was thinking.
You putting on way too many positions at that point.
Right.
Unless you buy deep in the money and it costs you a little bit more. But
Yeah, but if you go deep in the money,
it won't move. Right. It won't move the
That's
same.
0 day.
Mm-hmm.
Might not move. Might get 10%, 20%.
You'd be happy to get that, especially put on that type of leverage.
Because look at what we were talking about earlier on that last hour. So imagine buying even up here. Let's say you spend $2.2 million on a dollar contracts. Might not be enough. You might have to buy 4 or 5 different positions. You might have to buy all 540s, 541, 542, 543.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You might have to do that too. But this gonna be an amazing 7 months to see these numbers moving and really feel it. And because it's all hindsight to say it, but to really get into a position and you say you looking at your in this area your yearly salary, then you looking here at damn, I made it, mama, I made it at phase 2. Then phase 3, you're looking like generational wealth. I'm gonna put on $6 million into a position right here, $165,000, 50%, $86 million in a zero DTE.
Hey, boy.
What?
What if you ask? You start off with 2,000. Your first 4 trades.
You lose?
No. I don't want to say this. Yeah, your first 4 trades is 25%, and after that, you split your balance in half and flip 100%
Okay.
for 4 months.
Okay.
4 months.
Say it again.
So your first 4 trades is 25%.
Okay.
All right. You withdraw half of that total balance.
Okay.
And then you risk 100% for 4 months. What's the total?
You know, 10 years ago, this shit would have took about 8 months to get this printout.
Mm-hmm. Bam, bro. Bam. Because you start out with 2,000. You done risk 25%. Look at your withdrawal. You already doubled your profits in what, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
And now you just flipping. Now you riding for free, like you would say. 307. Man, come on.
Can we throw at least one or two losses in there?
Mm-mm.
Damn.
Because it's your A plus setup, man.
See, and that's where, and that's
That's the key.
that's the
That's
key.
the whole
That's the key.
kicker.
That's the key. Key.
And it does take a lot of patience, a lot of discipline. But if you're okay doing 1 to 2 trades a week, your A plus plus setup, you shouldn't be losing.
Woo! Hey,
It's your
hey,
A plus. Like you
say
said, that one
say
trade,
it
that
again for the
one
person in the
sell
back, man.
down,
Say it again for the person in the back, man. Sheets.
like that one sell down you said all the stars got aligned, that's your A plus setup.
Yep.
You got to rewrite it because that's still showing it with losses.
Is it?
Yeah, up at the top.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's with losses. Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah,
You got to start it all
take that.
over.
Yeah, take that out. No losses. Oh boy. See what I'm talking about, man?
Quadrillion.
With
Hey.
only 4 bands in 4 months, bro. And that's your A plus plus.
Let me see. Okay. Hey, let's
Yeah.
add losses. 5
Here
wins.
to come.
5 losses back to the equation. Cause shit, even 300
Quadrillion,
million.
man.
Jeez. That's 600 million. You win 5, you lose 5. Hey, yo, Junior, you good with that?
Man, I'm good with the 60-40. I just want to be able to see it. I can't see it yet.
Yeah, but this one you ain't gotta say. You only gotta win 5, lose 5.
Well, not even that. I'm just saying, just in general. I can't pass this damn combine. Because
Let's see.
I understand once I get the future side of it, because that's what gives you your entry for options.
You win 3, lose 7. Let's see.
Damn. Win 3.
Uh, you break, uh, you break even.
But that's
No,
a long 4 months, boy.
right? You done with your
That's
money,
a long 4
That's a
months.
frustrating 4 months.
man. You win 3, lose 7. Okay, let's take it up to win 4, lose 6. Let's see what it gives.
It's rough, bro.
Rough. Jeez. You got at least be for shit.
Feel like you had to put some money back in the pot at some point. Because, once your balance gets to a certain threshold, you probably can't even afford one options contract
Right.
on QQQ.
Okay, so you gotta at least be 50-50 with your A plus setup. And you gotta be more than that. See, 50-50 give you 600 million.
That's not even 50-50.
No,
You got 5 wins, 4 losses. That's not.
right. No.
Yeah. I mean, 50-50 should just, that should be the obvious, right? Win 5, you lose 5. I mean, you pretty much had the same starting balance, right?
No. That's enough for you, Junior.
I'm good with that.
288,000.
Shit, keep hitting that over and over.
But
That's just the 4 months. Hey, let's say you take it out to 2 years. Take it out to a whole year.
What's the risk?
First four trades was
25%. Yeah, but after that, the risk is, oh, I forget the first 4 trades is 25. That's why. Okay. I was like 50-50. It should just be null and void.
oh damn. Okay, a whole year. Okay. You
That's
can
a good year.
you can buy the Jaguars, man.
By the Jaguar. You
Yeah,
mean their football team?
yeah.
Well, they
Junior,
ain't gonna let you in there, man.
you can buy Jaguars, man, or the Seahawks. The deal for sale. You buy that?
Nah, I'll
You
be
gotta
good with
be
just
a
getting a box.
you gotta be a minority.
Oh yeah.
And they ain't gonna want you to be affiliated neither. We'll take the money. Check be in the mail.
Check me the
Thank you. Thank you for your contributions. You gotta be a silent contributor.
This gonna be a crazy 7 months, man. See these numbers. All finding down to start, like I say, start getting those to those 6 digits. And you're like, sheesh. Like you say, it gotta be A plus plus. And like you say, it's only 2 a week.
I mean, it could be like the first 2 weeks of March.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yep.
I'm just saying too to be conservative. That's why I'm like, why you adding the losses in there, man? But it's all good.
We just got
We got any news this week?
Yeah, March Madness.
Nah.
Your team still in it?
Ohio State. I ain't sure. No news. Oh, we got news Monday. Got news tomorrow.
Yeah, mine
8:30.
just got tapped out by Purdue.
Oh, it's no news Monday. Ooh, Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday looking good. Nothing Wednesday. 8:30 Thursday. Yeah. Revised. Come on, man. Hey, yo, email. What time you dropping little man off to mama? Yeah. That boy been on daddy duty all week, man. Jordan, he ain't call you for no help, man.
You shouldn't call me. You calling me, you calling the wrong person.
Light week. Last week of yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, it's gonna be calm because you got FOMC the following week.
Yeah. Yep.
Then you got Easter weekend, so
Yep.
might be a little quiet. So your 2 trades could be Tuesday and Friday.
Yep. 2 a week. 175%. No. Yeah, 175% return.
Nothing wrong with that. Especially if you're trading futures.
And we say, and on that note,